Hello friends, I am Dr. Shilpa Naik. Welcome to my channel Urban Oasis. I planted 6 flowering bulbs on 12th April and I'll show you how they are growing now. It has been 20 days and all these bulbs, rhizomes, tubers, they are perennial flowering plants. Uh, Once you plant these bulbs, you will be getting flowers years after years. So these are very easy to care, low maintenance, flowering plants. I will show you what flowering plant bulbs I planted on 12th April. Today I will be planting 2 rhizomes of Gloriosa superba, 6 single tuberose tubers, 10 bulbs of rain lily, 1 Diaspora alata or purple yam, 5 big Amazon lily bulbs, 3 rhizomes of Chemphera rotunda, 5 tubers of double flower variety of tuberose and 2 iris bulbs. The bulbs which are small of iris rain lily, I will plant 1.5 inches deep, and the bulbs which are bigger, one of Amazon lily or tuberose, those I'll plant 2.5 to 3 inches deep below soil. And the rhizome of Chemphera rotunda, tuberous rhizomes of Gloriosa superba, I will plant 2.5 to 3 inches below the soil. Let us check all the bulbs, rhizomes, tubers we had planted on 12th April. The first one to flower immediately was Zephyranthus. It was raining also and it flowered within 10 days. This is the Zephyranthus lily. 10 bulbs I had planted and planted very densely. This is the Zephyranthus lily. It really loves rain and it has been raining, so it flowered. Then started the flowering of Chemphera rotunda, Bhuichafa. It has been flowering, the flower has closed just now, but daily it has been flowering, one flower daily. Chemphera rotunda is a tropical herb and it grows by underground rhizome. This underground rhizome is a modified stem, so the flower grows up directly from the stem. It is native plant of India, also seen in Sri Lanka, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia. When the flowering finishes, the leaves will emerge. Then these are the leaves of tuberose, the double variety flower, and so many grass like leaves, lovely leaves have emerged within 20 days. All are very fast growing. Tuberose is very fast growing. This will now grow, and in 3 months, 3 4 months, it will send up a shoot and flower stem. These are the single variety tuberose. So see, the tuberoses have given up so many beautiful leaves. The iris and Amazon lily are also growing nicely. And this is the Gloriosa superba. This is the climber of Gloriosa superba. In 20 days, see, it grows very fast. It has grown nearly 1.5 feet tall, and it grows very tall. It has word like leaves, and it is a climber. It will keep on climbing, and it is very easy to maintain, and it doesn't need a fertile soil also. It will keep on blooming throughout the summer, rains, and in winter, all these bulbs will go dormant, and again they will flower in spring. Gloriosa superbi is a national flower of Zimbabwe, and it is a native of Asia and Africa. These bulbs, rhizomes, tubers of all these flowering plants you can plant since spring, in summer also. And then they will give flowers in July, August, September, during the months of Shravan Bhadrapad, in which we have so many festivals. So They will be really useful for us during festival time. In India, crops are planted according to Kharif season, Rabi season. Kharif is in rainy season and Rabi will be winter season. But for vegetable planting in our terrace, I follow the seasons. So in India, there are three seasons: summer, rainy, winter. So four months for each season. So for the summer season, the sowing of summer vegetables will start now since Akshay Tritiya. Akshay Tritiya is considered to be a very auspicious day for sowing seeds all over India. Akshay Tritiya is the third day of Vaishak month according to Hindu calendar. Vaishak is a summer month and the Rutu is Grishma Rutu. On Akshay Tritiya, the days become hotter and hotter, and the day also becomes longer and longer. Some vegetables prefer very hot climate, hot weather to grow. They love hot weather. Some vegetables prefer cool weather like winter, cabbage, cauliflowers. Some prefer rainy season. So if you plant now, since Akshay Tritiya day, so you can start sowing seeds from Akshay Tritiya or just before in spring for summer vegetables. So if you plant on Akshay Tritiya day, in 1 month till the rainy season sets in, the plants are quite established, and then the rain will help them to blossom and grow more and produce more vegetables. On Akshay Tritiya day, the climber vegetables are planted. So all types of gourds, sponge gourd, bitter gourd, uh, rich gourds, these are planted. Red pumpkin seeds are planted, and also cucumbers, okra. These are planted on Akshay Tritiya day. So I have last year's sponge gourd. So I will be planting these seeds. This is a gourd last year, and I can remove seeds from this gourd. So these seeds I'll be planting of sponge gourd. This I had from my terrace garden last year. Then I'll be planting brinjal, this brinjal, the dry brinjal which I have kept for seeding. Then I'll be planting this desi tomato I have got. So I'll remove the seeds and I'll plant them. These chilies are the shorter varieties. I'll be planting these chilies, the small variety, and also I have okra of last season. So these seeds I'll be planting these okra this year now in next week when I remove the cabbages. Also, this turmeric is saying that I now please sow me. See, the it has sprouted, so it is now time to sow this. This is mango haldi, mango turmeric, and this is turmeric, kurkuma longa. This is turmeric. So I will have to plant this also now. And the seeds of climber vegetables which we plant on since Akshay Tritiya, we get the harvest after 3 4 months in July, August, September, which are the season of festivals like Ganpati, all the Shravan month festivals. So we can get bountiful of harvest during that time. Some vegetables like brinjal, tomato, spinach, they can be grown all over the year in your garden, terrace garden or your home garden. Also, friends, this is the flowering season. Everywhere there are lots of flowers, and then come the bees. Bees make beehives. So there are a lot of beehives around wherever there are flowers and gardens and big flowering trees. So please, if they are creating a nuisance, or if you are getting panicked because of the bees, please call the people who relocate them. Please do not burn the hive and kill the bees. So friends, please comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Happy gardening with Urban Oasis. See you next week. Thank you.